Hepe waste. Recently I got an email with a question from a super fan. I won't mention his name. He knows who he is. But anyway, Mr. Greenbird asked me, Dave, is there a possibility you can make a video on how to hold the sticks under your leg? Yeah, I can show you different ways. Anyway, as the letter reads, I have chicken legs. I have a hard time holding my indirect under my leg. And I need your manliness to show me how to be a better indirector. That's a bad word. But anyway, indirector, I will make you. All right, I'm going to show you a few different ways I do things and what tools I use to help. You know what? Let's cue some shopping music. Elevator music. Let's put it right there. That'll work. Yeah. All right. Here's one of my methods. This one works pretty well. Put a knee on the ground, just like one of those NFL guys that rather take time out instead of kicking a home run for the team. Take your stick, knee on the ground, leg out, insert stick, bring back your leg to a comfortable position, and there you go. If you do this, and you can't do this, give it a try, and then you'll know about how firm the stick needs to be. Here's method number 2. See how I'm kneeling down like this? A lot of people can't do that. If you can't, then this step won't help you. But it shows you. Put it behind the knee, drop down, and give her a go. On method 2. Sticks, of course. Find yourself a good solid wall. Take your stick, put it behind your leg, get down in that position I showed you, and lean against the wall. That'll help you. I learned how to lean against stuff because when I was a teenager, I used to lean against garages in the alley, smoking and cursing, hanging out with my buddies telling bullshit stories. Right, Tuna? Yeah. On the bucket, preferably about 2 gallons or something of this size. Something that kind of keeps your knees up in the air. Now, insert stick, draw leg back, and we have a good tight fit. This here is my favorite method. Just find yourself an old office chair. Just remove the back from it, and you can pump it up if you're tall, pump it down if you're a small guy, or if you just want better leverage with your stick, this would be the route to go. I will show you how it works. Office chair. This is my favorite method, and I'll show you why. Because you can put your stick under your leg, get yourself a good grip. And now, put the tiptoes on the end of that line there. Move forward just a little bit, and now you're locked in. See? So if you're sitting on an old kitchen chair or one of those tailgating chairs that sags and all that other stuff, you need elbow room. You don't need a bucket here. You don't need padding all over the place. And you need your elbow room. Elbow room. Because when you're working, you don't want to have to be doing this. Hope this video helped you out. That's the best I can do. So, Toksha. Toksha ake.